Don't share your big dreams with small-minded people. If you want that dream to be shot down, share it with small-minded people. Look for big-minded people.
So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys 3 phases of market. In these phases of market, I usually denote it as 3 based on my own understanding, right? Based on my own understanding. The phases of market is we have what? If price is pushing up, we're going to have this point to be what? Point A, this point to be point B, right? If price wants to push higher, it's going to what? Exhaust, right? And then it's going to create what? It's going to create a point C and then going to create a point D. Do you understand? If price wants to continue higher, it's going to create what? A point E and create what? Finally a point F. Do you understand? So most of you know this as the point C and E, you know it as higher lows, and the point B, D, and F, you know it as higher highs, right? Good. So this is something I want you guys to pay attention to. Please pay attention to this, because once you understand this thing, you're going to know what you want to do in the market. It's as simple as that. Now, the next phase is for the bullish market, right? Now, understanding this pattern now, right? Understanding this particular pattern, how do you know where you want to involve yourself in the market? In this particular market, you can see that price is repeating 3 phase, which is what? Let me label this. We have what? The push phase. I'm going to label this now. Let me put an arrow here. We have the push phase. We also have the exhaustion phase, which is this correction, and then we have what? The push phase again. Do you understand? So this will be a push, right? A push. This will be an exhaustion or a correction. So I'm just going to put it as EX. Exhaustion, right? And this will be the next push. This push from C to D is going to be another push phase. I hope I'm making sense, right? If you're watching this video, your eye just opened to something that you don't really get, right? But it's free, right? So make sure you just subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notifications so that whenever I'm posting gems like this, you're going to be the first to know, right? And also going to help the algorithm to do its work for me. Now the thing is, you already understand this. We have a push phase, exhaustion phase, and push phase, right? Good. So what do you understand? Having this basic knowledge of push, right? The market is trending. It's going to push first, right? After pushing, it's going to what? Exhaust. So that's why I'm putting EX, exhaust, right? And it's going to what? Push again. This is the only 3 phase that I see the market doing repeatedly. Do you understand? That I see the market doing repeatedly. Push, exhaustion, push. So when I come onto the chart, I want to know, has the market pushed? Do you understand? Is the market on a supply level, right? Because supply will always cause correction, right? In a bullish trend. But in a bearish trend, demand will always cause correction in a bearish trend. Do you understand that statement? Pen it down and understand it better. In a bullish trend, supply will always cause a pullback, which is an exhaustion, right? Or a correction. And in a bearish trend, demand levels will always cause a correction of that bearish push. Do you understand? So once I understand this, I know that, okay, fine. It's either I'm trading a push phase or, okay, let me do this. It's either I'm trading a push phase. Let me just put an arrow. It's either I'm trading a push phase. Let me just label this a blue. Let me go for this green. Okay, green. It's either I'm trading a push phase or I'm trading what? Okay, this one, it has to be an exhaustion. So this is going to be red. So let me change this one to green. Yeah. So it's either I'm trading a push phase, an exhaustion phase. Can you see it very well? I hope you guys are writing this. If you know, you know this is a very simple lesson, but it has enough gems in it, right? It has enough gems in it that you're going to pick. I just explained something great here. Do you understand? Try and understand this thing and apply it on your chart and see the difference. You don't need to complicate anything. Do you understand? Now it's either I'm trading a push phase, exhaustion phase, or what? I'm trading what? A push phase again. This is the same thing that happens concurrently. Do you understand? It happens every time in the market when the market is trending in one direction, whether it's a bullish or bearish. Now for the bearish, it's the same thing. Let's go. If market is pushing like this downward, this phase is what? This is a push. Do you understand? This is an exhaustion. The exhaustion, I'm just putting it as EX. You can call it correction or a pullback, whichever one you want, right? And this also is still another push phase. So these are the three phases of the market. The market either pushes, exhausts, and push again. Just like a car. A car accelerates, hits its brake, and then continue. So that was a break in transmission. So I was going to say, just like a car that accelerates, hits its brake, and accelerates again, or vice versa, decelerates, hits its brake, and decelerate again. Do you understand? So the deceleration is for the bearish structure, and the acceleration is for the bullish structure relatively to this market. Do you understand? So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the lesson. Please give this video a like, comment, share to your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to this channel to stay tuned so that when I drop videos like this, you're the first to be notified. C'est la vous.